Hello, Texas real estate investor. It's Bubba Bashaw with Simplified Commercial Lending. You know, in the last 12 months, finding the right money, the right loan product for what you're trying to work on has been a little bit challenging. Whether you're into long-term rental, short-term rental, or you like to buy, fix, and flip, we have your financing available. For the last 15 years, I've been teaching lending. I've taught over 4,000 people, and we represent many of the firms on Wall Street. Some of those firms are very good at fix and flip. Others are very good at long-term rental. Others have special programs for short-term rental. The good news is that with Simplified Commercial Lending, you get the teacher's edition of the best way to finance your program. So give us a call at 512-953-7359. And today we're highlighting our fix and flip. If you are a Texas renovation fix and flip and you're in a major city, we offer 100% financing on the purchase, 100% financing on the rehab, up to 70 ARV. Please give us a call if you're ready to fix and flip, or if you just finished a project and right now the market's not where you want it to be to sell. We would be more than happy to assist you in refinancing that hard money loan into a long-term loan with a 1-year prepay. That way you can keep the property, enjoy some rental income, and then sell it when the market recovers. Give us a call, 512-953-7359. My name is Bubba Bashaw. I'm the owner. You can check us out online, www.simplifiedcommerciallending, because we simplify your lending.